Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert an image containing text into editable text in Microsoft Excel. We will do this by using Microsoft Word as an intermediary step. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. First, open your Microsoft Word and make sure to start with a blank document. Now just simply go to the Insert tab right over here, then just simply select on this picture option. And now just simply choose this device over here. That should open the browser section. Now just let me go to the location where you have the image that you want to convert into text in Excel. So in my case, it is going to be in desktop. Now once you're on desktop, just let me find the image. Then just let me click on it and then click on Insert. Now once the image is inserted, you may want to improve its clarity. So just simply double-click on the image to access the formatting options if needed. Then apply sharpness using this option. Click on this small drop-down menu and choose sharpness, as you can see right over here. Now if you have a blurry text or unreadable text, just simply use this option to get the best result, as you can see right over here. And once you're satisfied with the image, what you would do is go to the File section, click on Save As, and just simply choose a location where you want to save this. So here again, choose where you want to save it. It's going to be desktop. Then this panel will appear in front of you, and name it your file. Let's say, for example, text, and in the Save As type, choose PDF. Then click on Save. And that should save your image file as a PDF, as you can see right over here. And to verify it, you can always open it to see. As you can see, this is the image in a PDF format. Now just simply close the Microsoft Word. And this time just simply right-click on the PDF. Then click on Open With and choose Microsoft Word, which you should find right over here. And if you're unable to see it in a direct option, click on Show Another Apps and choose Word from here. Now, once you will do this, Word will convert the PDF into an editable document. There is one thing that you should keep in mind, that this process might take a couple of minutes, and sometimes some text may not convert perfectly if the image quality is low. So you might need to manually correct some of the errors. Now, what you do is just click OK. And now you will have the image as a complete editable text, as you can see right over here. So once you have your document, review the converted text and select the text or table and adjust the formatting if needed. For instance, you might want to change the font size, the font itself. It's totally up to you. If you want to make any changes, you can always do that. So finally, once you're all finished with your editing of the text, just simply copy the entire data. Just simply right-click on the small arrow that you should find right over here, and then just simply click on it. Then right-click and copy the data. Now just simply open your Microsoft Excel where you want to paste the data. So just simply choose a block where you want to begin, and just simply press Paste right over here at the top. And that should copy the data perfectly, as you can see right over here. Hey, so that's it. You have successfully converted an image containing text into editable text in Microsoft Excel. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.